And who's smiling now? Congratulations, you were awesome.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yes. You're such a good baby. You're such a good baby. Oh, yeah. I know. But it's good stuff. Oh, there we go. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Yeah, do it with your eyes closed.
That means, and no pinching, it's not hurting you.
No, it's not hurting.
It's incredible that
It is
this
incredible.
you managed to do it.
The first few times for him to experience his tools that he has.
Yeah.
It's all about exploring right now, not just happen. Just like when a baby starts walking, you don't expect them to get up and run and walk like an adult. He has to learn which muscles to use, how to use it, and all that. And he knows it, but he just has to explore it and master it, right? So the first few times, if you keep doing this, you give him that opportunity to explore all his tools, and once he's ticked off all of them, then it won't take this long. And if you want to help him, you can just again express some milk, bring him closer to the breast. Those are okay to help him.
Yeah.
Those are things that are not going to affect latch. It's encouraging him. Right?
He seems to look at it.
Yeah, he keeps looking. It draws. So he's a day and a half, right? That by lifting your arm a little bit,
Yes,
his
yes.
head would kind of
Yeah.
elevating. And then the pillow is important. You're safe, honey. Mom.
You just hold the pillow.
Yep.
Alright. You got this.
Beautiful. Lovely.
Okay. See, it takes a bit more effort to get there, I guess, because he's learning.
Yeah, it won't take this
Right?
long every time. It won't
And,
take this long.
yeah.
And let's see how he does now. Let's look at the feeling. How does it feel?
It feels
Nipples?
fine.
Feels fine.
That was really good. Yeah, that was really good, babies.
It's all how it feels and also what he's doing at the breast.
Hey, baby.
Good, there. Big swallow there.